Hi, I'm Mike with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, Chicagoland's original polyurethane concrete raising and stabilization experts. Today, we're talking all about warranties. This video is designed to inform you of some things that you want to watch out for as you're evaluating contractors. When you're getting your concrete raised, you definitely want to have a warranty, but you want that warranty to be solid. You want it to offer you real value and protection. So with that being said, we're going to start off with probably one of our very favorites. This is really the epitome of deceptive marketing. It's true. Some companies use deception to hook you into selecting them as a service provider. And this one sounds great at first. It's a lifetime warranty. How could you go wrong with that? You're going to hire the company to come and raise your concrete. They're going to stand behind it for the life of your concrete. Not true. Couldn't be further from the truth. This is actually limited to one relift. What makes things even worse is that there's actually another loophole in here that says if there's any open cracks or joints, the warranty is void. But where this is really flawed, the one relift thing, is let's say the company performing this work is not a true specialist. If this is a company that is distracted by other services, let's say concrete installation, garage floor coatings, power washing, sealing, their concrete raising expertise is definitely a bit watered down. What all that means is the original service may be flawed. If they don't raise it properly, if they don't support your concrete properly, you're almost guaranteed to have an issue with it, meaning they could be needing to come back out a month, 2 months, 6 months after they raise it. And once they come out that one time, your lifetime warranty is over. No more value to it at all. So again, this is just very deceptive, and in our opinion, this speaks volumes to who you're dealing with. You don't want to be dealing with someone that is out to deceive you from day one. So be very careful of that. Then we move on to a 4-year warranty. This one, you want to watch out for this kind of language that we see in here about being limited to labor and materials. This company will actually propose to come out on a warranty call to core holes in your concrete to verify that their labor and materials are okay. What do you think their finding is going to be? Yeah, they're going to say our labor and materials are fine. It dropped again because of erosion, or the ground settled more, or what have you. You don't want to get into debates like that. If you have a problem with a service, you simply want them to come address it, not get into all these things about whose fault is it. Then we move on to a 3-year warranty, and this is probably one of the more creative ones that we see. Wow. This warranty is designed, again, for 3 years, but if you call them on a warranty call, what they're going to do is they're going to come out within that 3-year period. They're going to look at it and say, yeah, it dropped. Here's an estimate for us to now break out your concrete and replace it. But hey, we're going to credit you the value of what you paid us to lift it. No, that is the last thing you want to get into. If you have a problem within 3 years, you would expect them to just come out and address the problem. Not so with this company. They're going to try to sell you concrete installation services now. So that really provides you no value. Then here's a 2-year warranty that we're aware of. 2 years sounds reasonable for these type of services. However, if you read it in the fine print, it says warranty is null and void if you, the homeowner, fail to reroute downspouts and eliminate obvious sources of water intrusion. Obvious, that is very vague. There's nothing real obvious about this. The last thing you want is to have a warranty call, they come out and start debating with you whether or not there are obvious water intrusions that you failed to rectify. No, you just want them to fix it, but it's not the case with these guys. And finally, we have 1-year warranties. You know, 1 year is not long enough. Let's just say that. And it doesn't matter if these guys have been doing this concrete raising for 20, 25, say 30 years. It doesn't matter if they've been doing it forever. If they've been doing it that long, they should be good at it enough by now to provide you more than a 1-year warranty. If someone has been raising concrete for 20 or 30 years and they're still offering a 1-year warranty, you know, that is unacceptable. It's not enough. You want somebody to stand behind their work longer than a year. So be very careful of that. So with Acme Concrete Raising and Repair, you know, we have a straightforward warranty. It's not designed to, you know, be too good to be true, to sell you, or have loopholes. If there's a problem with something that we do, we're going to come out and we're going to address the problem, not get into debates about whose fault it is. We're going to come out and address it with you. Why? Because we value your happiness and you spreading the word with about your experience with working with us. We're not going to just be someone who wants to take your money and then plan on arguing with you later if there's a problem. So again, we're Acme Concrete Raising and Repair. We're Chicagoland's original polyurethane concrete raising and stabilization experts. It's what we specialize in. It makes up over 99% of everything that we do. So we hope you find this very useful, informative. We hope it helps you sift through your evaluating of contractors' estimates. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you very much for watching.